Just About Any Food. Today I will be making some Jamaican coconut drops. So here I have 4 coconut that I will remove from the husk, and I will show you how I do that before I start making my drops. I went ahead and I break my coconut with a hammer. You can choose to break your coconut on a hard surface, for example a concrete surface. So I'm going to remove the white part because that's what I'm going to use to make the drops. So here I remove the white part from the coconut, and sometimes I scrape the brown part, but today I'm not going to do that. So this is how I cut my coconut to make the drops. So first you make vertical cuts down the coconut, then you make horizontal cuts on the same piece that you make the vertical cuts on. And I will continue to do this until I get all my coconuts into small squares like I just showed you. After cutting my coconut, this is what it looks like. I did a great job. What do you think? Tell me how I did in the comment section below, okay? So for this recipe, I'm going to use brown sugar, and I will list how much I use in the description box below. Vanilla, cinnamon leaves, nutmeg, and ginger. And I will be grating my nutmeg and ginger. So I want to mention that I wash my coconut before I actually cut it into the small pieces, okay? So in this pot I had some water, and to the water I'm going to add my cinnamon leaves. And I am doing this because I want the water to get the flavor from the cinnamon leaves before I actually add my coconut, okay? You don't have to do it this way, but this is how I do it in my kitchen, okay? At this point, I'm peeling my ginger because I'm going to grate it with the nutmeg to add to my coconut. And you don't want to leave out the ginger because the ginger gives the drops a nice flavor. So I went ahead and I add my coconut to the boiling water, and I will also add my grated ginger and my grated nutmeg that is right here. Then I will be adding the vanilla as well as the brown sugar, okay? After adding all the ingredients, you want to make sure to continue with the cooking process until all of the water evaporate from the coconut. And this is what it will looks like. It will start to become sticky because of the sugar. And now I am removing the cinnamon leaves because I don't need any anymore. And after which I will be using my banana leaves. So I'll show you how I do the banana leaves before I actually add the coconut to the banana leaves to make my drops. My drops is almost done, so I am going to go ahead and wash my banana leaves and dry it off. Then I will be quailing them over the heat. So that's what we say in Jamaica. We are quailing the banana leaves before we put the coconut on the leaves. And you want to make sure to wash your leaves because you know that insect can crawl on them. So make sure to wash your banana leaves before you add your coconut, okay? So after quailing your banana leaves, you want to put it on a flat surface, and then you are going to put the coconut onto the leaves, and you are going to use a spoon to put the coconut onto the leaves in the size you want your drops to be, okay? So after putting all the coconuts onto the leaves, you want to leave them to harden. And in Jamaica, you can find this treat at any harvest, any school or church harvest. And most times, when Jamaicans visit Jamaica from abroad, they normally take this back because it's like a treat that Jamaicans look forward to. So if you like my video, please do comment and subscribe and cook with love always.